So we got this little steep hill right here, and we got our foot on the brake because we don't want to keep rolling, and we got a foot on the clutch. So a lot of people will freak out because they're like, oh, the car's rolling back, it feels like it's moving fast, but it's really not moving fast. So you just got to be patient and just be patient. So I'm gonna take my foot off the clutch, it's in neutral. So when I'm ready to move, clutch in, put it in first gear, and then I'm gonna come off the brake very slowly, and the car's gonna start rolling back, but I'm gonna give it gas still, and then get to my point until the car starts grab and the whole thing starts moving. So same thing like that. It's just a lot to get used to. So but let's try it again. So we're rolling back some. So we're gonna try it one more time. So gas, a little bit of gas, come off the clutch, car's grabbing, and we're off. And of course, you gotta be kind of quick on a hill too, so you can't just be rolling back too far. So you kind of have to be like, right? Gas, come off the clutch, right? Gas, gas and clutch. So gas. And sometimes you can bleep the gas and come off the clutch. You can also do that too. You could just like feather it. So that's another way you could do it. You could feather the clutch and be like, and the clutch is gonna grab. So that's another way. So that's it. I would say it's really a lot to getting used to. I don't want to make this video super long, but it's just practicing and being behind the wheel, especially if you're a new driver. Little gas, little clutch. So I'm gonna do it one more time. So gas, right, and come off the clutch, right, and we're gonna move, and then I want to shift the second, push the clutch in, take my foot off the gas, come off of that, take my foot slowly off of the clutch, get back into the gas, and we are on our way. So pretty easy. It's just a lot of getting used to it. And then when you get used to it, of course, you can hit VTEC and get into pulls, etc., etc. But it's just getting used to it. So I'm going to turn around and show you guys. When you get used to it, you can just give it gas. Feel the car pull. Hit VTEC. Pretty fun. But just gotta get used to it. That's all I would say. It's like getting used to it and getting up there in the RPMs, really feeling the car out, shifting gears. That's all I would say, guys. It's just basically feeling the car out for sure. So that's it. If you guys like this video and it was very informative, definitely smash the like button. And also, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you're new and you want to learn manual, what else do you guys want to see? If you want to see more manual driving videos, shout out to the Evo Street Strike fam. Definitely smash the subscribe button on the left here, and also hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Click the link right here below of the latest video that's out right now.